Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on flipping the L1 and L2 buttons and the R1 and R2 buttons in Call of Duty Modern Warfare 3. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. When you are in the Call of Duty main menus, press the Options button on PS5 or the Menu button if you have an Xbox controller. This will bring up the Quick menu. Use the right bumper to change tabs until you get to the Settings tab. In Settings, select Controller. In Controller Settings, the Flip L1, L2 and R1, R2 setting is near the top. Enable it to flip the triggers. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Call of Duty tips and tricks.